Eagers Holden have secured a number of VZ Acclaim wagons. This has been a scoop purchase and we are going to pass the savings on to you. These family cars offer strong performance, good fuel economy, a comfortable ride and a large and comfortable cabin, all at an affordable price. Before we talk about price, just look what you get with these vehicles. Air conditioning, cruise control, traction control, front and side airbags, alloy wheels, the 6-cylinder Alloy-Tech motor, a CD player, remote central locking, an alarm and an immobiliser, and all of them have the balance of the new vehicle warranty. We have a great range of colours to choose from and they all start at $21,990 plus your government and registration charges. So come on in and see us at Windsor or Newstead to grab yourself a bargain. We hope to meet with you soon.